Located on busy Route 3, these two commercial buildings are looking forward to their next career. 14x24 log-sided building would make for a great office or display retail area. The 29x28 building section offers a kitchen, 3-compartment sink, etc. and a current packing room. The 80x50 building section offers a 56x28 area that is insulated and has a small interior office and half bath. The remaining of the building offers an uninsulated area of 80x22.6 and 24.6x50 that includes a walk-in freezer size 8.6x14.6. There's a single garage door on the west end and south middle, with loading ramp, as well as 2 garage doors on the east end serving as a loading dock for box trucks and or semi-trucks. All of the sets on a 1.193 acre parcel. Lots of potential. There are owner financing and lease options.